Okay, Annabelle, you need to walk him for a little bit, okay? Sit back. Sit back and tell him whoa. Sit back and say whoa. Annabelle. Oh my gosh. She's the best toy, I'm telling you.
Well, Jan, I told Paula that, Katie and I are kind of living vicariously.
Let him stand a minute. Okay, you can turn him around a little bit. Let him turn more times around. When you get him going, let him keep going. Cluck to him. Cluck. There. Now put your hand down and just let him go. Kick. Now put your hand down and let him go. Kick. And cluck. Very nice. Very nice. Whoa. Now pet him. Now go the other way. Okay, whoa. Now you pet him and let him stand there a minute. He's being really good for you. She's watching. Walk him on down there, and if she wants you to do it, you can.